As lawyers, your duty of confidentiality demands diligence when it comes to data. The California Bar has even specified in practical guidance that attorneys should review the terms of service or other information to determine how the product utilizes inputs. You're up to speed about AI, and now you want to log into your preferred platform. First step, check out the terms of service, even if you need to ask someone for them, to find out what happens with your data. Let's break down 3 key concepts that every legal professional should understand: what terms of service include, how they differ, and what a promise not to train with your data really means. The terms of service, or TOS, are a contract between you and the platform. By clicking I agree, you're promising to follow the platform's rules, and the company is setting limits on how you can use this tool and how they can use your data. Think of it this way. If you type a confidential client memo into an AI, you're not just having a private conversation. You're transmitting data to a company's servers and the terms of service to determine what happens next. The terms often include details about data collection, or what information the AI gathers from your input and activity. Data storage and retention, how long your data stays on their servers and what power you have over what you can or can't even delete. Data use, how the company may process or analyze your data behind the scenes. And data sharing, whether they share it with third parties. We might call it boilerplate, but it's not actually identical. Terms of service can differ. Here are some of the ways that AI tools may vary. Opting in or out. If you're paying for an AI, you might be buying different data usage terms than a free version of the same AI. Subscriptions may offer options like keeping your data out of training datasets, immediately deleting conversation histories, or enhanced security. Purpose. Your data may or may not be used for training, analytics, security auditing, or other user experience improvement. Timing. Terms dictate not just what data is kept and what can be done with it, but how long the company holds on to it. Periods vary and can range from immediate deletion to 90 days or more. You can't assume your data is treated the same way across AI platforms. Check, especially if you're working with client data, and your actions must comply with your professional obligations. Here's a common phrase you'll see: your data is not used to train our models. That sounds reassuring, but it absolutely does not mean your data is private. Promising you one thing doesn't keep the company from using your data for a variety of others. Usually, when you see that phrase, it means your specific text or uploads won't be used in the training data to improve future versions of the AI. Your data might still be used to ensure system reliability, like debugging or troubleshooting. Monitored by human moderators to check for policy violations. Analyzed to create statistics, develop future improvements, or understand user behavior. So, not used for training doesn't always equal private. It just limits one kind of use among several. And, usage aside, your data still lives for a time on the company's servers, which invites questions about their security. Knowing how the terms of service govern your data is about your privacy, and if you're doing anything client-related, it is also about your professional responsibility. Let us know what questions you have, and move on for the quick knowledge check next.